It may not be visible to us, but what goes on beneath the ocean's surface is critical to the health of our planet. As we use plastics for many parts of our daily lives, we produce all sorts of chemicals. Some get into the water and can be toxic to ocean critters, from fish to whales. Zooplankton are microscopic creatures that play an important role in ocean food webs. They take in nutrients from the very base of the food chain and pass them up as they get eaten. Unfortunately, they sometimes take in chemicals when they swim around in polluted water. This is because toxins are similar to oil. They don't like to mix with water. However, the toxins coat the zooplankton as they swim through the water, like oil on greasy dishes. Then, when a fish eats the tasty zooplankton, the chemicals get into their body too. Eventually, when a human eats the fish, they also end up with the chemicals. The process started out with a small amount of toxins, but they accumulated in each step, and now there are a lot in the fish and even more in the person. These chemicals are present in oceans all over the world, so we want to know how much of them will get into the wildlife and even our own bodies. Here in the lab, we put some zooplankton in water with some of these chemicals, called SCCPs. SCCPs are molecules made up of carbon, hydrogen, and chlorine, and are often used in industries like plastic manufacturing. They are a good example of the kinds of toxins that get into the ocean and are persistent in the environment, so we want to understand them better. We then look at the plankton to see the amount of SCCPs that ended up in their bodies. Knowing the total toxin in the plankton allows us to estimate how much will be present in bigger animals. By demonstrating that the chemicals are in ocean animals, we can help stop them from being used and protect ourselves and the environment at the same time.